Hi, I'm Matt Crotty, and this is a presentation on a biomechanical analysis of a shoulder pass. Biomechanics is the study of human movement and the forces that influence performance. In physical education specifically, biomechanical knowledge allows educators to analyze movement and provide effective feedback, allowing students to improve and develop skills at a deeper level. In this video, I'll example a shoulder pass using qualitative movement analysis. If we see here, we've got a correct form, a mediocre form, and then a progressing or poor form of a shoulder pass. The throw begins in the preparation phase. The body rotates and weight is transferred onto the back foot. This creates stability and prepares the body to generate force. Next, we have the execution phase. Force is transferred from the legs through to the hips, then the torso, shoulder, and then finally arm in a proximal to distal movement pattern. This process is known as force summation, and it does increase the throwing power and velocity. One strength of this performance is the torso rotation. Here we see it creates a greater force where the ball can travel further. In the poorer example, we see that this wasn't created and the ball just goes down and doesn't go far as well. Another area of improvement in the progressing video is the angle that the ball was released. We can see that the ball was released way too low. There we are. This went on to affect the projectile distance. Adding to this, the follow-through stops abruptly, in which reduces transfer of force. To improve performance, I would implement drills that focus on full arm extension and follow-through mechanics. I would also add in verbal cues such as step, rotate, release, just to reinforce the throwing sequence and create that pattern for the students. Additionally, peer feedback could also support students' understanding and self-analysis. Biomechanics in HPE is explained by Knudsen as an environment that supports learning and movement understanding instead of performance outcome. As a whole, biomechanics helps teachers to provide meaningful feedback that improves movement efficiency, confidence, and skill acquisition in HPE. Here are the references used for this presentation, and thank you.